Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to back up chat history in Telegram. So first thing first, you want to go to your Telegram and you want to tap on this three hamburger menu. Then you want to tap on this setting option. Alright, so you can see a bunch of options here, but you want to scroll down and click on data and storage. So right here you want to make sure this automatic media download, they are all clicked. Okay, you want to make sure they are all clicked. And this one that says when using mobile data, you want to make sure you switch the data usage to high. Okay, so once you're done with that, you want to click on save to gallery private chats. If you want to back up your group chat as well, you click on it, and then channels, you click on it. So okay, all right, so once you're done with that, click on this and you want to make sure you customize it to high. Okay, so once you're done with that, this is basically how to back up your chat in Telegram. Okay, so make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel.